So question number 5 and self-test 2, it says change the following improper fractions to mixed numbers. So part A says 25 over 3. So this is numerator, this is denominator. So we're gonna divide the numerator by denominator. So numerator is 25 and then we're gonna divide it by denominator, which is 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. We are left over with 1. We can't divide 1 by 3 anymore. So we're gonna write it down. So we know that 8 is our whole number. So we're gonna write down 8. And then we have 1 left over as a numerator, and your 3 will be your denominator. So your denominator stays the same. We're just gonna take out the whole number and whatever is left over. So 8 and 1/3 is your answer. So we're gonna do one more example, which is B, 17 over 6. So same thing here. We know this is numerator, this is denominator, so we're gonna divide the numerator by denominator. So numerator is 17 as denominator is 6. So 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, which is more than this. So we can only do it by 2, which is 12. We are left over with 5. We can't divide 5 by 6 anymore. So 2 is our whole number, and then we have 5 left over, which is gonna go as a numerator, and then your denominator will be same. So 2 and 5, 6.